The Adventure Kings camp oven stove can be used for anything from keeping warm at your campsite to cooking up that awesome feed. Let me show you how to get the most of this awesome addition to your campsite. Make the most of the camp oven stove's portability with the Adventure Kings duffel bag. It packs away nice and neat so you can take it anywhere, anytime with ease. Cook up a great feed everywhere you go with the Adventure Kings Skillet pan. This heavy-duty cast iron pan with a massive 26cm cooking surface will have you cooking for the masses at camp. With so many camp spots not allowing open fires these days, with the camp oven stove and the Aussie-made Baduri camp oven, you can enjoy those camp oven classics that everyone loves at any time, no worries. The heavy-duty spun steel and a lid that doubles as a fry pan will have you producing a great feed every time. And finally, the must-have barbecue tool set. It packs away easily in its own handy bag and can be used on any of your Adventure Kings cooking surfaces. The perfect toolkit for any outdoor master chef. Get maximum value when you purchase any of these products in a combo with your Adventure Kings camp oven stove and take the campfire cooking anywhere you go. Now that's camping like a king.